Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to IK Sir chemistry classes. In this video, we will discuss chloride ion in water and its determination. First of all, we will see what are the sources of chloride ion in water. Chloride ion is the major anion present in water and wastewater sample. The water soluble chloride salts such as NaCl, KCl, MgCl2 and CaCl2 are leached by the rainwater from the soil to the water reservoirs. It is the main source of chloride ion in water. It means the water-soluble chloride salts such as NaCl, KCl, MgCl2 and CaCl2 are leached by the rainwater from the soil to the water reservoirs, and it is the main source of chloride ion in water. The concentration of chloride ion in water is expressed in milligram per liter, and it is equivalent to part per million, that is ppm. Permissible level of chloride ions in water. Chloride ion concentrations above 250 mg per liter can give rise to detectable salty taste to water. It means if the concentration of chloride ion in water exceeds 250 mg per liter, it can give rise to salty taste to water which can be detected by its taste. However, the threshold depends upon the nature of cation to which Cl- ion is associated. However, the limit of detection of salty taste of chloride ion in water depends upon the nature of cation to which Cl- ion is associated. For example, NaCl can be detected by salty taste if its concentration exceeds 250 ppm. On the other hand, MgCl2 and CaCl2 can be detected by salty taste only when their concentration exceeds 1000 ppm. No health-based guideline value is proposed by World Health Organization for the chloride ion in drinking water because Cl- ion is non-toxic in nature, and hence no upper limit has been set by WHO for Cl- ion in drinking water. Cl2 is toxic. It is used as disinfectant to kill bacteria and germs in water, but Cl- ion is non-toxic. In combination with metal ion such as Na plus ion, Cl- ion is essential for life. A small amounts of Cl- ions are essential for the normal cell functions in plants and animals. Determination of Cl- ion in water sample. The concentration of chloride ion in the given water sample can be determined by titrating it against a standard silver nitrate solution in the presence of potassium chromate solution as indicated. It means the concentration of chloride ion in the given water sample can be calculated by titrating it against a standard silver nitrate solution using potassium chromate solution as indicator. This method is known as Morse method for the determination of chloride ion in given water sample. The solubility product of silver chloride is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 10. On the other hand, the solubility product of silver chromate Ag2CrO4 is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 12. The solubility product values of silver chloride and silver chromate are low, and hence these are sparingly soluble salts. If a reaction mixture contains both chloride ion and chromate ion and silver nitrate solution is added to it, first of all, chloride ion will be precipitated as AgCl. First of all, white precipitate of AgCl is obtained during titration. AgNO3 solution being added from the burette to the conical flask containing water sample in which chloride ion is present, then white precipitate of silver chloride will be obtained. At the equivalence point, please note that equivalence point, almost all the Cl minus ions of the water sample is precipitated as AgCl, and its color is yellowish white due to the presence of potassium chromate and AgCl. The equivalence point of the reaction cannot be detected easily. After the equivalence point, the addition of even slight amount of AgNO3 to the reaction medium leads to the precipitation of silver chromate Ag2CrO4, which is brick red colored. At the equivalence point, almost all the Cl minus ion of the reaction medium is precipitated as AgCl, and after the equivalence point, the addition of even a few drops of AgNO3 solution to the conical flask leads to the precipitation of silver chromate, which is brick red colored. Potassium chromate indicator reacts with AgNO3 solution being added from the burette, forming brick red colored precipitate of silver chromate. Therefore, the end point of the reaction can be detected easily by the change in color from white to brick red via yellowish white. When brick red colored precipitate is obtained during titration, it indicates the end point of the reaction, and it can be detected easily by the change in color from white to brick red via yellowish white, as illustrated in the following figure. A represents the water sample taken in conical flask. It contains Cl minus ion, which is to be determined. Then a few 1 ml potassium chromate indicator solution is added to the conical flask. On doing so, the color of water sample becomes yellow due to the presence of indicator potassium chromate, and this solution contains Cl minus ion of water sample and chromate ion of indicator. On adding silver nitrate solution to the conical flask before end point, before equivalence point, the solution contains AgCl, white precipitate, chromate ion and chloride ion, and D represents the equivalence point. A is the water sample, colorless, containing Cl minus ion. B is water sample containing 1 ml potassium chromate solution as indicator. Its color is yellow. It contains Cl minus and CrO4 2 minus. If silver nitrate solution is added to it, white precipitate of AgCl is obtained. CrO4 2- ion remains in the solution, and unreacted Cl- ion also remains in the solution, but D represents the equivalence point. At the equivalence point, almost all the Cl- ion of the water sample is precipitated as AgCl, and the reaction mixture also contains chromate ion. And after the equivalence point, even a few drops of AgNO3 solution addition leads to precipitation of brick red colored silver chromate, and it represents the end point of the reaction. Chemicals required. First of all, we need 0.02 N silver nitrate solution. 3.4 gram silver nitrate is dissolved in distilled water, and the volume of the solution is made 1000 ml. Thus, we get 0.02 N silver nitrate solution. 5% K2CrO4 solution is used as indicator. For its preparation, 1 gram potassium chromate is dissolved in 20 ml distilled water. Thus, we get the indicator solution with concentration 5%. Procedure: 20 ml water sample is taken in the conical flask. Then 1 ml potassium chromate solution, that is indicator solution, is added to the conical flask. The content of the conical flask becomes yellow colored due to the presence of potassium chromate. The content of the conical flask is then titrated against 0.02 N silver nitrate solution until brick red coloration is obtained, and it is the end point of the reaction. Calculations. The concentration of Cl- ion in the supplied water sample can be calculated using the following relationship. Cl- ion concentration equals to A minus B into N into 35.5 into 1000 divided by V, which is nothing but volume of water sample in ml, and the result is in milligram per liter, that is ppm. Here N is the normality of silver nitrate solution, A is volume of silver nitrate solution used for sample titration, and B is the volume of silver nitrate solution used for blank titration using V ml distilled water. Basis of calculation. The above equation can be derived as follows. Let V ml water sample requires Z ml 0.02 N silver nitrate solution to attain the end point. Here Z is A minus B used in the earlier slide. Therefore, 1000 ml water sample will be equivalent to Z into 0.2 divided by V into 1000 ml silver nitrate solution. We know that 1000 ml silver nitrate solution contains 1 gram equivalent silver nitrate. Therefore, it will be equivalent to this amount divided by 1000 gram equivalent silver nitrate, and 1 gram equivalent silver nitrate reacts with 1 gram equivalent chloride ion. Therefore, it is equivalent to same amount of gram equivalent of chloride ion, and 1 gram equivalent chloride ion is equal to 35.5 gram, and hence in gram it will be multiplied by 35.5. And if we convert gram of chloride ion into milligram, it will be multiplied by 1000 and this 1000 will be cancelled out. Accordingly, we will get Z into 0.02 into 1000 into 35.5 divided by V milligram chloride ion is present in 1000 ml water. Therefore, concentration of chloride ion in water sample is equal to Z, that is A minus B into N. 0.02 N 2 is the normality of silver nitrate solution into 35.5 into 1000 divided by V milligram per liter. Thus, the formula used in the previous slide has been derived on chemical basis. Now the time for self-assessment. 20 ml of the supplied water sample was titrated against 0.02 N silver nitrate solution using potassium chromate solution as indicator. 12.5 ml silver nitrate solution was required to attain the equilibrium. And it means 12.5 ml is the value of A and the value of B, that is water sample, is 20 ml, and this is the value of A when 20 ml distilled water was titrated. 0.8 ml silver nitrate solution was required to attain the end point. It means it is the titer value for blank titration using 20 ml distilled water. Then we have to calculate the concentration of Cl- ion in water sample in ppm or mg per liter. This is the value of V, volume of water sample, 20 ml. This is the value of A, titer value of silver nitrate solution. When 20 ml water sample is used, and titer value of silver nitrate solution, that is B, when 20 ml distilled water is used. It is called blank titration. Here is the solution of problem. Concentration of chloride ion in water sample is equal to A minus B into N into 35.5 into 1000 by V mg per liter. This formula has been derived earlier. The value of A is 12.5 ml. The value of B is 0.8 ml. The normality of silver nitrate solution is 0.02 N into 35 into 1000 divided by 20. If we multiply 0.02 by 1000, it will become 20, and this 20 will be cancelled out. On multiplying 11.7 by 35.5, we get 415.35 milligram per liter. Therefore, the concentration of Cl- ion in the supplied water sample is 415.35 ppm. Thank you for watching the video with concentration. Please like, share and subscribe it. We will meet with a new video soon.